Hi, I'm Priyanka Mandhyan and I'm the marketing head at Yours Digitally. Today, I'm in conversation with our charismatic co-founders Mitul Das and Abhishek Chamaria and our forever goal-oriented growth leader Preeti Pandit. So welcome everyone. So my first question is for Mitul. So Mitul, we hear that this wonderful panel is participating in the upcoming workshop with Fikiflow. Can you tell us a little bit about the workshop?
Yes, we are doing a strategy workshop with Fikiflow on 11th and 13th of January. And the whole idea, it's a digital marketing workshop where we are going to take the audience through a case study. We have prepared a very special case study for all of them where we are going to strategize the entire case study collaboratively. So we will plan the various nuances of a business problem and how to solve it with new age marketing tools and processes. And we will collaboratively do it with the entire audience, and I'll be having Abhishek and Preeti with me. And then once the strategy has been created, we are going to real time at the workshop itself create an instant implementation of the entire workshop. So it's going to be 2 days of fun, collaboration, discussions, deliberation, and just not theoretical gyan as it keeps happening in other seminars. So very excited, of course.
Thank you so much for that amazing answer, Mitul. So my next question goes to you, Abhishek. You're known to always be 200% prepared. So how are you preparing for this particular workshop?
See, basically the part that I'm going to be talking about maximum is going to be performance marketing, where everything that you do is absolutely measurable, right? From brand reach to the conversion rates on a per click basis. This is something which was never possible earlier. And even if it was possible, it was not completely possible to get down to the lowest level of details. The new age of data-driven marketing allows us to do so. Advertisers can now pay for only the specific action that they want completed, rather than paying on the basis of impressions or clicks. So we're going to dive deep into it, and I'm very excited. We've created a number of templates which will be shared during the workshop. So people can use those templates, fill up their goals, see what kind of ROI is going to be possible for them to generate, make sure that we are able to add value to all the business women who are going to be present, no matter what kind of business that they are in. So we are really, really excited, and I'm looking forward to the entire event.
Thank you, Abhishek. My next question goes to Preeti. So Preeti, we can see how excited you are for this particular event. Can you tell us a little bit about what people can expect to learn from this particular event?
Yeah, Priyanka, I'm pretty much excited about the event and really look forward to interact with all the members of Fikiflow. So from the workshop, there are a couple of key takeaways. Like when we do planning for a marketing journey on the digital platform, there are a lot of threads or aspects which we need to plan while we are doing the plan. But at times we see that the plan is not comprehensive enough. So that we will try to explain what are the pointers we need to keep in mind while we are doing the plan. And along with that, there has to be a couple of milestones. During that, we need to cross-check that as per the plan if we are going right or not, what are the pluses and minuses, and accordingly we analyze the thing and come back to you. Apart from that, there would be a couple of quick tricks and tips at your fingertips, like as a business owner, as a brand, what you can do, how can you experiment quickly, how can you interact with your audience. So yeah, this is a couple of things which we will be seeing in the 2 days workshop on 11th and 13th.
So there you have it, folks. The Fikiflow event is taking place on the 11th and 13th of January, and Yours Digitally is extremely humbled and excited to be participating. You can catch exclusive glimpse of this particular workshop coming up on all of our social media as soon as the event is over. So stay tuned and we'll see you soon.